ATI TEAS sample questions. Question 1. After Violet Group 63 reads a passage about hydration during the sample question review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Hydration helps maintain focus during study. Option B. Energy always rises when water is limited. Option C. Students should drink only sports drinks. Option D. Reading accuracy is unrelated to health. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it covers the main relationship between water intake and concentration. Energy always rises when water is limited is wrong because the passage says dehydration can reduce energy, and students should drink only sports drinks is wrong because the passage mentions hydration but not a specific drink. Reading accuracy is unrelated to health is wrong because the passage says hydration can affect accuracy. Question 2. When Violet Group 63 sees details that the author describes a quiet room, a closed phone drawer, and a timer set for 30 minutes, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The setting is designed for focused study. Option B. The room is unsafe. Option C. The timer is broken. Option D. The author dislikes all technology. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because quiet, phone-free conditions and a timer all support concentration. The room is unsafe is wrong because nothing indicates danger, and the timer is broken is wrong because the timer is described as set, not broken. The author dislikes all technology is wrong because only the phone distraction is limited. Question 3. During Violet Group 63's sample question review, a passage shows statistics about sleep, gives tips, and encourages students to protect bedtime. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To encourage healthier study habits. Option B. To prove math formulas. Option C. To advertise a hospital job. Option D. To narrate a personal vacation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the tips and encouragement show the author wants readers to change a habit. To prove math formulas is wrong because sleep tips are unrelated to formula proof, and to advertise a hospital job is wrong because no job is being promoted. To narrate a personal vacation is wrong because the prompt gives advice rather than a trip story. Question 4. While Violet Group 63 outlines a passage that starts with low scores, explains causes, and then recommends a weekly plan, which structure is being used? Option A. Definition. Option B. Cause only. Option C. Problem and solution. Option D. Chronological order. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a problem is introduced and a proposed fix follows. Definition is wrong because the passage does not simply define one term, and cause only is wrong because the passage also gives a solution. Chronological order is wrong because events are not mainly arranged by time. Question 5. Before Violet Group 63 accepts the claim that graphs can reveal trends faster than paragraphs, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. A line graph showed score growth across 4 weeks at a glance. Option B. Some graphs use green ink. Option C. Paragraphs use complete sentences. Option D. A chart title can be short. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the graph example shows quick trend recognition. Some graphs use green ink is wrong because color choice is not evidence of faster trend reading, and paragraphs use complete sentences is wrong because that does not show graphs reveal trends faster. A chart title can be short is wrong because title length does not prove the claim. Question 6. Since Violet Group 63 sees the word concise in the tutor gave concise directions before the timed drill, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Brief and clear. Option B. Bold and fragile. Option C. Angry and loud. Option D. Confusing and hidden. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because concise means giving necessary information without extra words. Old and fragile is wrong because age and condition do not fit the sentence, and angry and loud is wrong because emotion and volume are not part of the word meaning. Confusing and hidden is wrong because concise directions should be easier to follow, not hidden. Question 7. Given Violet Group 63 answers 11 out of 25 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 22.73%. Option B, 56%. Option C, 30.56%. Option D of 44%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 11 divided by 25 equals 0.44, and multiplying by 100 gives 44%. 22.73% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 56% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. 30.56% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. Question 8. If Violet Group 63's score rises from 50 to 65, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 23.1%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 15%. Option D, 130%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 15, and 15 divided by the original score 50 equals 30%. 23.1% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 15% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. 130% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. Question 9. Suppose Violet Group 63 solves 2x plus 8 equals 26. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 8. Option B, 10. Option C, 9. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 8 leaves 2x equals 18, and dividing by 2 gives x equals 9. 8 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation, and 10 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. 18 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Violet Group 63's rectangle diagram with 7 cm long and 5 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 2 square cm. Option B, 24 cm. Option C, 12 square cm. Option D, 35 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 7 times 5 equals 35. 2 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area, and 24 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area. 12 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. Question 11. From Violet Group 63's measurement note of 240 centimeters, which conversion to m is accurate? Option A, 0.24 m. Option B, 24 m. Option C, 2.4 m. Option D, 24,000 m. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 100 centimeters equal 1 meter, so 240 divided by 100 equals 2.4 m. 0.24 m is wrong because it divides by 1000 instead of 100, and 24 m is wrong because it divides by 10 instead of 100. 24,000 m is wrong because it multiplies instead of converting to a larger unit. Question 12. In Violet Group 63's score set 69, 91, 87, 76, 79, which median should be reported? Option A, 80.4. Option B, 79. Option C, 91. Option D, 69. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 69, 76, 79, 87, 91, and the middle value rule gives 79. 80.4 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 91 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. 69 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. Question 13. For Violet Group 63, 4 review packets cost $20. At the same rate, how much do 6 packets cost? Option A, $30. Option B, $25. Option C, $26. Option D, $24. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $20 divided by 4 gives $5 per packet, and 6 packets cost $30. $25 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost, and $26 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $24 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price. Question 14. Near Violet Group 63's protein-making review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, vacuoles. Option D, or ribosomes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because ribosomes assemble amino acids into proteins. Mitochondria is wrong because mitochondria produce ADP rather than proteins, and lysosomes is wrong because lysosomes digest waste materials. Vacuoles is wrong because vacuoles mainly store materials. Question 15. Because Violet Group 63 traces circulation and blood leaves the left ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, aorta toward the body. Option B, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. Option C, vena cava toward the body. Option D, pulmonary veins toward the lungs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the left ventricle sends oxygenated blood through the aorta to systemic circulation. Pulmonary artery toward the lungs is wrong because that path starts from the right ventricle, and vena cava toward the body is wrong because the vena cava returns blood to the heart. Pulmonary veins toward the lungs is wrong because pulmonary veins return from the lungs to the heart. Question 16. Although Violet Group 63 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, moist membranes. Option B, dry keratin layers. Option C, no contact with capillaries. Option D, hard mineral walls. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse more effectively across moist respiratory surfaces. Dry keratin layers is wrong because dry keratin would block efficient diffusion, and no contact with capillaries is wrong because capillary contact is essential for exchange. Hard mineral walls is wrong because hard mineral tissue is not designed for gas exchange. Question 17. Once Violet Group 63 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, homeostatic regulation. Option B, mechanical digestion. Option C, blood clotting cascade only. Option D, genetic drift. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces, and blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change. Question 18. Where Violet Group 63 studies genetics and one parent is AA and the other is AA, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 0%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because half the offspring are expected to be AA and half AA in a simple Punnett square. 0% is wrong because AA offspring are possible when one parent is AA, and 75% is wrong because there is no 3 out of 4 pattern in this cross. 25% is wrong because that would fit 2 heterozygous parents for a recessive phenotype. Question 19. As Violet Group 63 reviews chemistry and a substance speeds up a reaction without being used up, which conclusion follows? Option A, catalyst. Option B, solvent. Option C, reactant. Option D, product. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a catalyst lowers activation energy and remains available after the reaction. Solvent is wrong because solvents dissolve substances but do not necessarily speed reactions, and reactant is wrong because reactants are consumed or changed during reactions. Product is wrong because products are formed by reactions. Question 20. Under Violet Group 63's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A, algae with different water and different light. Option B, algae placed in a warmer room only. Option C, algae that are never measured. Option D, algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause, and algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color. Algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results. Question 21. Between Violet Group 63's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. Neither the chart nor the tables is confusing. Option B. Neither the chart nor the table are confusing. Option C. Neither the chart nor the table is confusing. Option D. Neither the charts nor the table were confusing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the nearer singular subject table agrees with is. Neither the chart nor the tables is confusing. Is wrong because the nearer plural subject tables would need are, and neither the chart nor the table are confusing. Is wrong because are does not agree with singular table. Neither the charts nor the table were confusing. Is wrong because were does not agree with nearer singular table. Question 22. Inside Violet Group 63's sentence, the calculator lost blank charge during practice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, his. Option B, its. Option C, their. Option D, its. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because calculator is singular and non-human, so it shows possession. His is wrong because his is used for a male person or animal, not a calculator, and there is wrong because there is plural or singular person usage and does not fit a calculator in this formal sentence. Its is wrong because it means it is and does not show possession. Question 23. Through Violet Group 63's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause, and Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb. Question 24. According to Violet Group 63's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option B. Because the passage was long but the main idea. Option C. The passage was long, but the main idea was clear. Option D. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because but with a comma correctly joins contrasting independent clauses. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because the clauses run together, and because the passage was long but the main idea, is wrong because the sentence is incomplete. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because a comma alone cannot join two independent clauses. Question 25. Beyond Violet Group 63's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix sub- add? Option A, same. Option B, under or below. Option C, many. Option D, the above. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sub means under or below, as in subcutaneous, beneath the skin. Same is wrong because same is homo-, and many is wrong because many is poly-. Above is wrong because above is super-.